Good morning, students. In last video lecture, we have discussed up to exercise 8.4. Today we are going to discuss addition and decimals. So, with related to this, we will solve some problems which is from exercise 8.5. So, moving on exercise 8.5. Exercise 8.5. First is find the sum in each of the following. So I am taking two questions from question number 1. Question number A. First you see 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. So we have to do addition. So what will be? First you write 0.007. After that 8.5. 8.5. Now 30.08. Now see, after decimal, in first there are 3 digits, but here is only 1 digit. So after the digit you can put 0 here, 0. Similarly here you can also put 0 and add it. 7, 8, 5, 8, 3. So what will be the sum? Sum will be 38.587. Now moving to question number F. F that is 280.69, 25.2 plus 38. Now see, addition will be 280.69, 25.2, 38. So in 38 though no decimals, now after there is no decimal, so we will put decimals and we will write 0 0. Here 1 0, 9, 8, 3 carry 1, 10, 13, 14, 1 carry 3, 343.89. So in this manner you will do addition. Now moving to question number 2. Question number 2 is Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for math books and 32.60 for science books. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So what we will do here? We will add here 35.75 and 32.60. So cost of math book is cost of math book equals to rupees 35.75. Cost of science book rupees 32.60. Total amount spent equals to what will be? Rupees 35.75 plus rupees 32.60. This will be rupees 5, 3, 8, 6. 68 rupees 35 paise. Now question number 3. Radhika mother gave her rupees 10 10 rupees 50 paisa and her father gave her 15 rupees 80 paisa. Find the total amount given to Radhika by parents. So in question number 3, amount given by mother. How much? 10 rupees 50 paisa. Amount given by father is rupees 15 rupees 80 paisa. So total amount will be equals rupees 10.50 plus rupees 15.80. That will be 26 rupees 30 paisa. Moving to question number 4. Narsin bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. हमें बताना है कि टोटल लेंथ कितना लाया गया है उसके लिए. किसके लिए? टोटल क्लॉथ कितना लाया गया फॉर शर्ट और ट्राउजर के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में आ जाएगा क्लॉथ फॉर शर्ट इक्वल्स टू 3 meter 20 centimeter. Cloth for trouser two meter and 5 centimeter. So total length of cloth will be 3 meter 20 centimeter plus 2 meter 5 centimeter. That will be 5 meter 25 centimeter. कितना होगा 5 meter 25 centimeter. Question number 5. Naresh walked 2 kilometer 35 meter in the morning and 1 kilometer 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? So distance covered in morning will be distance covered in morning will be कितना होगा 2 kilometer 35 meter. Distance covered in evening will be 1 kilometer 7 meter. So total distance will be total distance covered equals to total distance कितना कवर होगा 2 kilometer 35 meter plus 1 kilometer 7 meter. This will give 3 kilometer 42 meter. कितना 3 किलोमीटर और 42 मीटर. Question number 6. Sunita traveled 15 kilometer 268 meters by bus, 7 kilometer and 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. So how far is her school from her residence? So in question number 6, first distance traveled by bus equals to 15 kilometer 268 meter. Distance traveled by car will be 7 kilometer 7 meter. Now by distance traveled by foot is 500 meter. So distance between a school and residence will be the sum of all these three distance. Yes or no? So distance in between a school and residence will be equals to 15 kilometer 268 meter 7 kilometer 7 meter plus 500 meter. This will be equals to 22 kilometer 775 meter. 22 kilometer 775 meter. Now moving to last question of this exercise, that is Ravi purchased 5 kg 400 gram of rice, 2 kg 20 gram of sugar and 10 kg 850 gram of flour. How find the total weight of purchase? So weight of rice will be is 5 kg 400 gram. Weight of sugar kg 20 gram and weight of flour 10 kg 850 gram. So total weight will be, we will get total weight by adding all these three. Yes or no? So 5 kg 400 gram plus 2 kg 20 gram plus 10 kg 850 gram. So total weight will be 0 0 0 0. 5 plus 2 7 7. After that 8 4 plus 12. So carry will be here 1 because 1200 comes. So for 1000 1 kg comes. So this will be 1270 gram. After that we will convert it. 10 plus 12 17 kg. This will be equals to 18 kg 270 ग्राम. कितना आएगा? 18 kg 270 ग्राम. So exercise 8.5 we have completed. Now we have last exercise remaining of this chapter, that is related to the subtraction in decimals. Just now we have completed addition in decimals. Now we will see subtraction in decimals. So exercise 8.6, moving on question number 1. First one is subtract 18.25 rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. अब हमें फ्रॉम बोला गया ना, वो वाला नंबर क्या होगा, ऊपर में होगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा रुपीज 20.75 रुपीज 18.25 माइनस कर देते हैं, ये हो जाएगा 052 रुपीज दिस मच 250. इसका बी वाला जो बी वाला क्या है, क्वेश्चन नंबर बी इज 202.54 मीटर फ्रॉम 250 मीटर. कितने से 250, तो सबसे पहले 250 ऊपर हम लिख दिए और नीचे आ जाएगा 202.54 मीटर. बट ऊपर वाले में तो कुछ है नहीं, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पॉइंट लगा के 0 0, और हम जब 1 मीटर इधर लेके आएंगे तो ये 100 सेंटीमीटर में चेंज हो जाएगा. तो 100 माइनस 54 विल बी 46. ये पॉइंट आ जाएगा, 9 में से 2 गया 7 4. So this will be equals to 47.46 meter. Now question number 2, in same manner you have to do find the value. So let us see some question from question number 2. I am taking B, that is 21.05 minus 15.27. So write it 21.05 15.27. 15 minus 7, it will be 8, because we have taken one carry. अब 9 minus 2 7 20 0 5 0. So it will be equals to 0.5 5.78. Taking D is 11.6 minus 9.847. So we will write 11.6 9.847. So here no number is there, so we will put 0. Now we will take one carry, so 10 minus 7, it will be 3. 9 minus 5 4 3. Now again we will take one carry, 15 minus 8 7, 10 minus 1. So this will be 1.753. Question number 3, you see, Raju bought a book for 35.65 rupees and gave 50 rupees to shopkeeper. How much money did he get back? So amount given to shopkeeper is, amount given to shopkeeper is rupees 50. Cost of book is, cost of book equals to rupees 35.65. So how much amount he will get returned? So refunded amount will be, so refunded amount will be equals to rupees 50 minus rupees 35.65. This will be equals to rupees 14.35. कितना आएगा? रुपीज 14.35. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for 11.75. How much money does she have now? Now total amount Rani have, how much Rani have? Rani total amount with Rani equals to rupees 18.50. कितना? रुपीज 18.50. A cost of ice cream is rupees 11.75. कितना है? 11.75. So left amount with her equals to rupees 18.50 minus rupees 11.75. This will give us rupees 6.75. कितना लेफ्ट हो जाएगा? रुपीज 6.75. Now moving on question number 5th. Rani, question number 5th. Tina had 20 meter 5 meter long cloth. She cut 4 meter 50 centimeter from to making curtain. How much cloth? So total length of cloth equals to how much? 20 meter 5 centimeter. Length used for curtain equals to 4 meter 50 centimeter. So cloth left with her will be cloth left with her equals to this minus this. So 20 meter 5 centimeter minus 4 meter 50 centimeter. This will be equals to 15 meter 55 centimeter. Question number 6. Namita traveled 20 kilometer 50 meter every day, out of which she traveled 10 kilometer 200 by bus and rest by auto. How much distance she traveled by auto? So total distance traveled equals to 20 kilometer 50 meter. Distance traveled by bus is equals to 10 kilometer 200 meter. So distance traveled by auto will be total distance traveled minus distance traveled. So distance traveled by auto will be 20 kilometer 50 meter minus 10 kilometer 200 meter. So will be 9 kilometer 850 meter. 7. Akash bought vegetable weighing 10 kg. So total weight of vegetable will be total weight of vegetables equals to 10 kg. Weight of onion is 3 kg 500 gram. And weight of tomatoes, वेट ऑफ ओनियन आ जाएगा, ये ओनियन है, और वेट ऑफ टोमेटोज इज 2 kg 75 gram. So weight of potatoes given by 10 kg minus sum of weight of onion plus tomatoes. This will be 10 kg minus 5 kg 575 gram. That will be equals to 4 kg 425 grams. So today we have completed exercise 8.5 and 8.6. So complete these two exercises in your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.